Ladies and gentlemen of the Congress, ladies and gentlemen of the Congress, we have not yet seen credible evidence that the Muslim Brotherhood has renounced its decades-long commitment to nonviolence. The We the People petition states, this petition, which currently has around 213 signatures, thousand signatures, broke the news in the public in July of 2013. The White House, which responded a year later, said there is no threat of the Muslim Brotherhood to the United States or any American allies. Although, because of previous acts of terror, we can see that the Obama administration is far off. Therefore, I have an affirming stance on the bill to designate the Muslim Brotherhood as a terrorist organization. The decision has been held by two main points, including the Muslim Brotherhood's history of acts of terror and its association as an Islamic terrorist group that established many acts against Egyptian President Mohamed Morsi. This group fueled Hamas. The act has long-term effects. Along with this offense, the MB helped create the terrorist group Al-Qaeda, which is the terrorist group that is behind 9/11 and many other acts of terror in hand. Al-Qaeda helped make and fuel ISIS, which has been a relevant issue and threat to America. Without the creation of the Muslim Brotherhood, ISIS would not have spawned, and 9/11 would never have occurred. Another argument would be the church burnings, as the brothers established in response to the results of Mohamed Morsi's reign after the presidential campaign in Egypt in 2013. In turn, they also permitted various sex crimes and acts of terror to opposing candidates who supported Morsi. In addition to this, according to political analyst Eric Staubach, they also had planned riots with the Jordanian Brotherhood and strike with Israel. That is why today I must respectfully disagree with representatives to reject this bill. For these reasons, I urge your votes to go along with mine in agreement with this bill to designate the Muslim Brotherhood as a terrorist organization. Now I yield my time to the floor.